Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a custom image. This is how it looks. Okay, so to create a custom image, so first we're gonna create an instance. Okay, we're gonna create one simple instance that is a compute engine. So whenever you create any of this compute engine, so there is a disk associated with this. Okay, so inside the disk, okay, we have all the pre-installed patches and the softwares. So then we're gonna detach that particular disk from this instance, then we use that disk to create a custom image. Okay, so once we create a custom image, so then we can create a instance templates or the new virtual machine out of that a custom image which we have created. So here, so why we're going with this option, because installing OS packages and software at the VM launch increases the boot time, because if you are just giving all the startup scripts or whatever the necessary installations, okay, so during the booting process it will take a time to launch it, right? So because of that, okay, we have this an option that is creating a custom image. So what is the solution? So we are going to create a custom image with pre-installed patches and the software. So here, so based on the instance, persistent disk and the snapshot only call file. Okay, this is how we create a custom image. I'll be showing you how we can just create a custom image out of this persistent disk. And so yes, let's go and just do the hands-on. Okay, you'll understand better. Okay, let me just get into my console. So this is my console, and I'll just go to my compute engine over here. All right, so let's create an instance. Let me just create an instance. So I'll just name this instance as demo01 instance. Okay, and I'll go with all the default options here. I'll just add the startup script. Okay, let me just go to the advanced here, and here inside this startup script, let me just add all the startup script, okay, which I have just already showed that in the previous sessions, right? So previous video. So we are just installing the Apache server, and I just wanted to print the hello world along with the host name and the host. And the next important setting is networking. Okay, make sure you just click on it, allow HTTP traffic. Okay, so rest everything is same. Okay, so let me just go and click on create. All right, so this got created. So if I just click onto this, okay, so this is all the information about the virtual machine, and we already explored all the information about this, right? So now, so each and every machine, okay, so there is some disk associated with that, okay, so inside the storage, okay, so there is something called disk. Okay, right now I'm in the same session, okay, so where we have created the virtual machines, and if you just scroll down, okay, so there is an option of a storage. So this is my storage, and inside the storage we have the disks. Okay, so here in the disk, okay, so you can see the disk which is associated with the demo01. Okay, so it's a 10 GB and it's a balanced persistent disk, and I can just click onto this disk just to understand all its details, right? So now, so let me just go back one level back. I'll go to the disk. Okay, so here I can find all the disk. So so far I've created multiple virtual machines. So whatever the virtual machines I've created, I can see all the disk associated with that. So now, so this is what the disk associated with this demo01, the virtual machine which I've just created. And if I go to actions here, okay, so I have an option to create an image. So when I create image, why I'm creating an image out of the disk? Because all the storage is basically done in the disk itself, right? I mean, like whatever the installation you have done, so everything has been stored inside this particular disk. So if we click on to this create an image, okay, so here you can just enter all the basic details, but here one warning you can see, okay, that is, so this disk is attached to running instance. To create an image, you need to stop the instance first or keep instance running. Okay, so there is an option called keep instance running, which is not recommended. So what we'll do is first we'll go and stop that instance. First we'll stop that instance, and then we're gonna create a custom image. So I'll just select this, and we know how to so from here you can just click on stop, or from here you also can just click on stop. So let me just stop this instance. Okay, let's wait. Let me just refresh. You can just fast forward the video. Okay, so it got stopped. So now let me just go to the disk here. So inside the disk, so this is my disk which is associated with the demo 01 virtual machine. I'll go to the actions, and here we have an option of create a image. Okay, let me just click on create an image. I need to give the image name. I'll just tell this is demo image one. Okay, demo image one, and so I'll just go with all the default option, and let me just click onto this create image. So you can find that information. I mean, like the images information inside this images section in the same storage level. So let's wait. So it will take some time for the creation. So it will take time. Okay, you can just fast forward the video. I'll just wait until it creates. Okay. Okay, so it got created. So now this is my image name. Okay, just remember this image name, that is demo image one. So now I can just go back to the virtual machine, and I can just click onto this create instance. And from here, so we have an option of creating an image, right? So if I just go to this OS and storage, and here by default, this is what the this is selected, the image, that is Debian. Okay, I can just click on change, and I can go to the custom images, and I can just look for the images which I've just created, that is demo image one. Okay, so this is one of the way how we can just create a new virtual machine out of this the image which you have just created. Okay, what is the other option? So I'll not create it, you can just try with that. Okay, so if I just go back, so other option is you can create an instance template, and from that instance template you can just create a new virtual machine. I can just go to the instance template. I can click on create instance template. So here I'll just name this image image instance template. Okay, so this name, and I'll just go to the place where I need to select the image option. So I want to click on change, and I'll go to the custom images, and this is what the image I want to select, and click on select. And so here I'll click on allow HTTP traffic, and rest all the startup script will be automatically there. Okay, so let me just click on create. So now this instance template will get create. From the instance template I can create what, a new virtual machine. Okay, let's try that. Because if you just go to virtual machines and you can just select the image, and that's very simple. I'm just showing you the other way, that is from the instance template you can create a virtual machine. First you create a instance template, then from that let's go and create a virtual machine. So it will take some time. Let's refresh. instance template. Let me just go back and just let me refresh. Yeah, image instance. Okay, let me just go to actions now, create VM. And so here I'll just tell final. Okay, just a final. I've just added the final here, and let me just click on create. Okay, I'm not let me just go to the networking and see, automatically it has selected allow HTTP traffic because I have just given that in the instance template, right? And let me just go and click on create. Okay, so now let's go and finally check. So if I'm able to access the server. Okay, let's go and check. So let's wait. Yeah, so let me just get into this. And so here I can click on so instead of this, let me just directly click on to this external IP. Yeah, you can see I'm getting hello world from demo. Okay, so this is how you can just try. So even while creating an instance, you can just give some other script. Okay, anyways we have installed the Apache 2, but you no need to give that install command whenever you're creating a new virtual machine. Okay, directly you can just start using this Apache 2 server. Okay, so this is the different ways. Okay, I've just showed you how we to create a virtual machines. Okay, out of the instance template as well as after creating the image. Okay, let me just go back and clear all our um, virtual machines. Okay, so just to save our credits, let me just select that and click on suspend. I'll click on suspend. Okay, so similarly let me just even suspend this. All right, and yeah, I'll go to instance template, and even let me just remove this instance template. All right, so I've just deleted all the thing. Okay, so even you can just delete all this instances. Okay, so that you can just save your free credits. Okay, so yes, this is all about creating an image, and out of that image even I have shown you how to create a virtual machine. Okay, so yes, see you soon in the next video.